Good evening, everyone. It's Josh here, and I am back. And tonight, we're going to do an opening to his VHS, which I got, called Nature of Australia, Part 2, from 1991. Here's the front cover. Spine, the catalogue number is 12676. And here is the back. Here's the videotape. No, it says 1990, the Australian Broadcasting Corporation, even though it's a 991 tape. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy it.
Welcome to the entertaining world of ABC Video. A world of exciting programs for you to enjoy and collect. From Australiana to Australian comedy, great sporting events to the great days of steam. A world of entertainment for you to collect now on ABC Video.
In the back of beyond lies a shimmering wilderness, where even the stones seem to burn. It's been called the Never Never, the dead heart of Australia. Three-quarters of the continent is arid now, but once this vast interior was a place of plentiful rain.